What's up, guys? So Vivian wants a new car. She wants a 4x4, right? I'm into like the sports car-ish thing, you know. I have Civics, so they're not really sports cars, but you know what I mean. I like to go fast, whereas she really likes to go off-roading and stuff like that, and she has not been able to because she has her Dodge Challenger. So we're here. We found this pretty nice looking Jeep Cherokee, or Grand Cherokee rather. It's like a really nice navy blue. It's like a dark blue, and it's fully loaded, has 90,000 miles. It's listed for 15,000, so it's a little high. But anyway, we're gonna go for a test drive. I'm gonna have Vivian secretly record in the passenger seat. And oh, it also has a V8. Not sure if it's a Hemi or not. I'm actually, maybe all of Dodge's V8s are Hemis. I don't know. I'm not a Dodge guy, so I don't know. But fully loaded, it's got leather. Let's go for a drive. Do you like it, babe?
Did you just say that you're not a Dodge guy? It's a Jeep.
Well, no. Well, Chrysler makes them.
I like it. It's trail rated. That's all I need.
It's trail rated. That's all she needs. See? That's what she likes. So, and I think 2012 was the first year that they had those problems with the, like putting it in park and then it like rolling away. So, I think we're in the clear. We're gonna go test drive it. Okay, guys, so we're at the dealership, and they have this old Mustang and an old Camaro, and they're in like wicked good condition. And they're actually selling this. It has less than 58,000 miles. What if, dude, what if I got that thing instead of like a Type R or a C6 Corvette? That would be, dude, that would be more than cool. I don't even know. What the hell, dude? I love, okay. One thing I haven't told you guys, one thing that you guys may not know about me is that I literally feel like I was born in the wrong time. I love the 80s. I love 80s movies. I love 80s cars, 80s, like, I don't know, 80s everything. This is awesome. Oh my God, that's so cool, dude. Wow. Okay, so let's go over everything I see so far. We got sunroof here, obviously.
Oh.
Okay.
Comes with free glasses.
Looks like it was female driven. Looks like a foxy lady. Look, we got some cheetah pattern there. All right. Wow. Okay. Power seats. Leather. Wow, look at that. Sport mode, snow, auto, sand, mud, rock. Oh,
Love.
I opened up the hood. This has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 from the Challenger RT. So we're gonna test that out, of course. I checked the oil, and I was able to find my first bargaining chip. The oil is a little dirty. It's not terribly dirty, but it's definitely not brand new oil. So we can definitely use that as a bargaining tool. I'm sitting really high up.
Your brake is on, dork.
What brake?
Your parking brake.
Where?
It's giving you a brake.
Let it warm up more before I get on it. We need to take on the highway real quick. Feels good so far. Everything feels really good so far. Brakes really well. I'm trying to pay attention to the transmission. I believe, so this is a 2011, I believe it has a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. I really like this a lot. You don't need to listen for any like clanks or squeaks or anything. So it has a little informational display here. It shows engine hours, 3,378 engine hours. Trans temp 190 degrees, oil pressure 49 psi, oil temp, coolant temp. That's pretty cool. All right, let's take this on the highway. gonna check for the alignment and all that sort of stuff. Get up and go. Does it feel like it's vibrating to you?
A little bit, but I think that might be the road.
Okay, well we need to do a little more highway driving then to... I'm having a really hard time figuring out if that slight vibration is the road or if it's the truck. I don't hear anything. I mean, it's really quiet. Another thing to consider is that it has a lot of sound deadening.
I think it's the road.
You think it's the road?
Yeah, because you don't feel it all the time. It is pretty windy outside, so...
Yeah. This feels good. Oh, wow. Great visibility, too. It's a good feeling being this high up on the road. I'll tell you that. Basically 90,000 miles. The temps are staying down, which is very good. It has a very reliable V8. Chrysler has used that 5.7 liter Hemi for years and years and years. It's like a bulletproof engine. Babe, I have to brake hard to make sure that the brakes are good, so don't be alarmed. Okay, the brakes don't feel 100%, but at least they're not, at least the rotors are not warped or anything. There was no vibration when I probably pushed the brake pedal in a little more than 50% and got the job done.
Seat warmers work.
You've been using the seat warmer? Is that what you put on mine?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I wanted to make sure it worked. Is your house on fire?
Yeah, it is. I was like, what the Oh, tow haul. See, now we can get four-wheelers.
Well, we'll need a trailer first, but...
Comment down below if you are one of the, like, 17 people who watched my video of going back to Maine. We had a lot of fun in that little four-wheeler that my brother had, but we come back and we're like, we need to buy four-wheelers, but we need someone to tow it, so this could do it. It's got plenty of juice, too. Sounds so good.
It picks up really fast.
Yeah.
I like that.
That was almost half throttle. Yeah, because this road over here, okay, so now we're not noticing vibration. It was the road then. Wow. Babe, I think this is the one. As evidenced by the sunglasses, I'm pretty sure this is owned by like a soccer mom. Is that a good thing? I don't know. What do you think about it, babe?
I want it.
You want it? Smiles per gallon. Not miles per gallon. Smiles per gallon. You haven't heard that before? Oh, I just pressed the button on the back of the steering wheel. There's buttons on the back of the steering wheel. What do these do?
Oh, cool.
These two.
That.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, that's the volume.
I mean, this is a, I don't want to say it's a hole-in-the-wall dealership, but it's a second-hand, like, used car dealership. Not that that's a bad thing, but I don't know. We'll go start negotiating and see what happens.
Remove my Dodge off of my insurance and put this new car on.
We've been here for 3 hours, and we're just now signing papers for financing.
Thank you.
I had to do a lot of negotiating. A lot. What do we have here? What the heck is this?
My new car.
Is this a V8 Jeep Grand Cherokee with leather and everything you want?
You can't post it until I've told my mom.
Babe,
Come on, let's get the hell
this is
out
a
of here.
sweet ride.
I know. Let's get it.
Okay.
I wanna test it.
Hey, I'll see you later, man. Thank you.
So, like, I feel like a boss ass bitch.
Babe, this is a nice car.
And I did it all by myself.
Nice. Hey, you got a subwoofer back here. Vivian, what are you doing? Come here so I can get a thumbnail for the boys. Come on. Thumbnail for the boys.
Just sit up on
And you know, the few females who watch my channel. Oh, that's cute.